Yo, what it do, everybody? It's your boy, and this is my first reaction video. Let's get into it. I'll be reacting to this. This music is already lit. This is Seventh Woods. What? 8th grader? I thought this was about to be some 8th grader. This is a man-child, boy. I'm about to be a sophomore. I can't even dunk. This dude gotta have every up in the whole country. Nice. Chicken wraps. Get that out of here. Yo, in the 8th grade. Imagine you in the 8th grade having to guard this kid, bro. What would you do? I'll tell you what I would do. If once he gets the ball, way. Oh. Ooh, ankles. Nice leg. Get that out of here. Get that out of here. No. You cannot be in the 8th grade. What are they eating this dude? Some human growth hormone? Growth hormones? Yo, this dude is so nasty. Oh my god. I've seen some few mixtapes, not too many. So far, like out of all the 8 movies I've seen, he is by far the best, most athletic. His vertical must have easy 45. Look how big he is, though. He's filled out too. Yo, get that out. What? Ooh, spin like that. Oh, that was a pass. Alright, yeah. I've seen enough. Well, that will cap it off. 7th Woods. Is he the best 14-year-old in the country? So far, yes. Leave you know better. And don't forget to like and subscribe. It's your boy B Bold Reacts, and I'm out. Peace.